New at 10 tonight, the government shutdown having an effect on Utah's military community. Active duty personnel are working without pay, and some civilian workers have now been furloughed.
David Ochoa spoke to one of those employees and joins us from Hill Air Force Base tonight. So David, how are they feeling right now?
Well, there's a lot of uncertainty right now because the last government shutdown lasted 35 days, and no one really knows how long this one could last. If you go to the Hill Air Force Base website, you'll see this banner on the homepage. And when you click on it, it gives an overview of what's been affected by the shutdown. It shows what's been impacted and not impacted. And under the services impacted is civilian workforce.
We kind of knew it was coming, just not who directly it was going to affect.
This worker, who wanted to be anonymous, says the shutdown will cause stress for a lot of people, not just for those out of work, but for those who are still working to keep missions on track. He talked specifically about what he works on.
I say a good 50 to 60% of the workers there are civilian. 40%, is military members.
So that 40% of military, they're still working, but without the support from the 60%.
Yes.
But during this time, he says his leaders have been transparent and communicative.
They've been very supportive with resources, available resources, and then they've also been very helpful with anything that you need, seeking unemployment or any other issues.
On the same webpage as before, it gives a list of resources that are available, including financial assistance, policy guidance, and wellness support. He's confident the work at the base will get done even with the reduced workforce. But with all the uncertainty of how long the shutdown would last or if people would be brought back, there's a lot of concerns going forward.
You can ask any service member or any federal worker, you definitely do not want to be in the limbo.
Now, active duty members that are still working won't get paid unless Congress passes another piece of legislation. Reporting live, David Ochoa, KUTV 2 News.